Alright, today we're going to bring a magnetic broom, and this is actually to sweep out any location you have that have metal pieces or any sharp objects or anything that's on the floor. This is a magnet. I'm going to show you how it works. So it comes with the actual disassembled. The wheels are not assembled. I just added the wheels. This is a magnet that drops down to actually release some of the metal pieces. They give you an extended pole. They give you a little sweeper here, which is actually a paintbrush to remove any of the metal pieces after it come off. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's go ahead and put it together first. Today we're going to bring our magnet broom to Nacho's Auto Repair Shop, and they also do welding there. So there's a lot of pieces of metal lying around the ground. So we'll put this to use in there. So we're going to start in the welding station, and if you guys notice, you don't see anything, but there's little tiny pieces of metal, sharp metal objects in the floor, dust particle metal that comes from the actual welding. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to run it here first so you guys can see it firsthand.
Ahí para que se mire.
Look at that. All metal shavings in there. Look at that. In front too.